ng Panginoon. Lalo-lalo sa panahon na ay sa itong araw na to, na binigyan tayo ng magandang panahon at yung syempre yung hangin. Importante yung hangin ay bibigay. Kasi baka mamaya ganun pa lang, di ba sir? Itutuloy pa rin natin kahit walang hangin. Bahala na, pero ganun pa man at ito nga ay binigyan tayo ng ito na magandang panahon para nang sa ganun ay papalipad natin ang mga makukulin na papagayo na ipakikita natin ang mga talento at ang mga creativity ng mga ating mga kasama dito. Hindi man lokal man o mga taga ibang bayan o ibang probinsya, wini-welcome namin kayo dito sa aming bayan ng Cuenca, sa bayan ng Cuenca. At palugod po kaming natutuwa at kayo po ay tumakilik sa aming event. Maraming salamat po.
To guide us through today's contest and activities, let us now call Mr. Brent M. Endaya, Acting Local Culture and Arts Officer, for the mechanics of the contest.
Habang inihahanda po natin yung mechanics, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo dito sa ating Kite Festival. Ang team po nito ay magtalo-talo pa. So ito po yung ating mechanics. Bali, 4 po yung ating categories. Pagandahan, divided into 2. Open design, yung po yung nagfo-fold din yung ating 3D. Tapos yung traditional build, yung parang gurion na tinatawag. Both are open to all participants. Then we also have patayogan, open category, and local category. So pagandahan po, each participant is limited to 1 entry only. Only the registered person in the entry will be allowed to pilot or fly their kite. They may ask for assistance in lifting the kite. So isang entry lang po sa pagandahan. All shapes, structures, and geometrical designs are allowed except pornographic images, brand advertisements, and political images or messages. So doon po sa ating mga design, bawal po yung mga malalaswa, yung mga may brand, and political images. Pero yung pong sa tourism, yung po naman ay hindi considered as political images since of course this is a tourism event. The theme of the competition is One Sky, One Community, One Future. Again, yun po yung ating theme. Isang sky, isang komunidad at isang future. Yun. Nakalimutan ko Tagalog. The number will be drawn for the order of the matches and for parading and flying their kite. So, base po dun sa ating registration, yung number po doon, yun po yung ating pila. Tapos yun naman pong ating criteria ay 20% sa creativity, idea, and design, 20% sa quality, 10% sa audience impact, and flight quality 50%. Ito po ay dun sa open design. Tapos dun naman po sa traditional build, the structure of the kite should be made in the traditional flame or so-called gurion. Any design painted on a sail is allowed like insects, birds, or any colorful designs. Same po ng prohibited designs, yung mga malalaswa at yung mga brand endorsements. Then same theme po tayo. Ang criteria naman po ay 20% creativity, idea, /design, 20% sa quality, 10% sa theme, tapos 50% sa flight's quality. The matches would be judged based on creativity, quality, adherence to the theme, and airtime. So, yun po yung mga criteria. Tapos, ito po ay huhusgahan ng ating Board of Judges. Then, sa patayogan naman, the match will last for 2 minutes only. The first minute is for launching or raising the kite. After the first minute, the judges and referee will start to observe which participant has the advantage who will touch the top place or kitay first. Each pilot will be given only 2 chances to raise their kite within 1 minute. Dalawang chance lang po. If the kite becomes twisted for 5 seconds, it will be considered a tie, and the judges will fix the kites. An additional 30 seconds who backs away or retreats during the 30 seconds will automatically lose the competition. A number will be drawn for the order of the matches. Changing numbers is not allowed. A participant must attach their own kite to the kite post. If a kite touches the top plate, the participant automatically wins the match. If the kite is damaged, broken, or lost, it cannot be replaced with another kite. So, dun po sa katayan, pag nasira po, hindi po pwedeng paltan. Only registered entries with assigned numbers, markings, and signature from the inspection committee can participate. Each participant is limited to one entry only. Each entry is loan string. Borrowing and sharing of tansi is not allowed. So napakalinaw po, isang tansi lang po tayo, tas bawal po ang pahiraman. The matches will push through with or without wind. So kung mahangin man po o hindi, tuloy po ang ating laban. 32 participants will be prioritized for locals, yung mga taga-Cuenca. If the desired participants exceed 32, they can be placed in the open category. To prevent unnecessary modification of kites, like the adding or removal of sumba, the categories is changed from sumba with or without to localization. So ang kadahilanan po kung bakit ang category natin ay open at locals na lang, para hindi na po tayo nag-iiba. Kunyari ay gusto nating sumali dun sa with sumba, magdadagdag pa tayo na sumba o magtatanggal na sumba. Iniwasan na lang po natin yon, kaya ginawa na lang po nating locals saka open category. So kung may katanungan po kayo, lapit lang po tayo sa ating mga officials. And best of luck to you all. Maraming salamat po sa pag-participate sa ating Kite Festival 2025.
And now,
Oo. Sige. Yan. Ari mo na. Kaya pinajudge ko na para matanggal sa gitna. Tatanggalin na rin yan. Okay.
Guys. Wait, palayo ko yan. Maliit lang.
Bitawin na, nakikita na eh. Babae. Babae, kikita na. Makarinig naman ng busina. Tawag si Itay. Yan. Basel.
Wala pa.
Dilaw ako.